Okay, so here is what we have for my first time making slime. It's Dad's challenge attempt at making slime. We have the glue wall, the Elmer's magical liquid, lotion, the model magic clay. This says decorating gel, so I don't know, food coloring or whatever. Googly eyes, I'm gonna put googly eyes in it. And I got shaving cream, and then these little measuring cups, and a tiger. Come on, little tiger. Take that tiger, get the tiger. And a bowl. So my wife is gonna record me. Okay, I needed this. Okay, first thing first, I think was the glue. One and a half bottles of glue. So fun. How do y'all think it's gonna turn out?
Good. Good. It's gonna be all blue.
What about 1.5?
Okay, what type of glue are you using, babe?
Here, I
I showed them.
Okay.
Yeah, right on my finger. Okay, we got that. We got the glue. And now an 1/8 cup of this thing. The baking soda is an 1/8 of a tablespoon. That's what this is for. This replaces the
No.
baking soda. This is 1/8 of a cup. No, 1/8 teaspoon. A half, 1 teaspoon. A quarter. Looks like half of this. That don't seem right. 1 tablespoon of lotion. I don't like getting this crap in my hands.
What does it smell like?
Hey, Zoe, get him a spoon, would you?
And mix. Yeah, I forgot to mixer of some sort. This is supposed to be a slime, I guess. We make this first. Nasty. So we make this first. And we'll move on to the next step. I may need another bowl.
Yeah, I got one right here, babe. This is for your magic model
So we
plate.
mix that up.
That replaces the
2.5 to 3 teaspoons. It's a quarter. A teaspoon. We'll do 3. 1, 2, 3.
Now it should start forming.
Mix it again.
There
It's
it
getting
goes.
slimy.
Yay!
It's super white.
It says, I think you may need to like add more until it gets slimy.
Okay, something right, because it ain't getting like that.
You have to...
No, you have to add more like she did until it gets to a slimy consistency.
Okay.
Then add some of this.
And then you gotta...
Water.
This supposed to make it slimy?
Yeah, it's supposed to. It may take a little bit because it's not as good as Tide, but it'll form.
Does it have to form before we move on to the model clay?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
No, this isn't gonna work. This should already be slime.
I don't know. If,
Daddy, it's gonna take a minute.
It's forming.
yeah,
Yeah, it's
would-
forming. It's forming.
Yep.
Yeah.
BTW, you might want to raise up your sleeves because you're gonna have to go into go in there with his hands.
Yep. We think it's time to go in there with your
No.
hands.
No.
I want to do it like that.
A little bit more.
Because they were able to do it, mix it, and then as they mixed it, they pulled it off the
Didn't
sides
you
of the
like
bowl
it?
and everything. It was one piece. This isn't gonna work.
Mine, down.
I think I failed.
Nuh-uh, look.
You're not.
Forming.
Yes, it is.
That's what you want, babe, right there.
All the sticky stuff is gonna start forming. It's uh-oh. It's
Very
time.
sticky.
There you go. Now it's starting to look right.
It's just gonna take a little bit.
Oh, oh, oh.
Okay,
Starting to look.
it's starting to look slimy. Ew, it looks like brains.
Yeah, it's becoming slime. It
No, I
definitely.
think that was too much.
Go in with your hands now, Daddy.
I think that
Yeah,
was too
Ooh,
much.
that's cool looking.
Go with
Oh,
your hands.
yeah.
now.
No, you're doing it, babe. You're doing
You're
good.
doing so good.
It shouldn't be breaking though. Right?
You have to.
You gotta
go
mix
in with
the
your
other
hands.
stuff.
Daddy, you have to go in with your hands before you add any more magical liquid. And it's going to be a little sticky.
I'm telling you, it's not right.
Yes, it is.
Yes,
A little
Yeah,
sticky.
yes.
that's what you want, like that. He's getting it, guys.
This is how you enjoy this.
It's so fun.
No, not really. I mean, look at the mess.
When it's not sticky, it
Look at
is.
that. How am I supposed to do anything else now?
Somebody's going to have to add a little bit of magical liquid in there.
Why do we need to add more?
Because it's still sticky. You
still-
can't play
okay.
with it if it's not. No hand slime challenge. You can feel it start to goop up in your hands.
I don't like it.
No?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
There's no way.
Yes.
This should take the whole bottle to make this.
It's because it's not as heavy as Tide is.
And not as good as baking soda. It'll take a lot.
It's not as good as everything, but it'll still work. Yeah,
So really,
there it goes.
why is
There it goes.
sticky?
It's
Go like
supposed to.
this. If it's not sticky, go like this and just keep
That's
kneading
what
I
it,
do.
and
You-
kneading it and swirling it and everything.
It's literally like trying to make a dough out of flour and stuff.
That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna do like
And
this.
you're not making too big of a mess.
Look at that.
Except on
Won't
your
even
hands,
come
but
off.
it'll come right off when you wash your hands at least. Yeah, just keep mixing because it
Just
kind
stick it to my hands. all
I know
the
you
time.
got to keep doing it though. You have.
you gotta keep mixing that slime in there. Just keep kneading it. Kind of looks like.
It's just sticky. I'm supposed to touch this stuff in my hands.
Yeah, she was using a mixing tool, Daddy. To just add it in there.
Mess. Really?
Oh man.
Bring-
this. F.
Trash. Tater.
No way anybody thinks this is fun.
Me.
It's fun.
It is not fun.
Like when you get it like activated, it's fun to play with.
You got all
Not
your
like
stuff.
that.
This feels like glue. This feels more like glue than the slime did.
Then the glue itself.
Emery. No. So going for like a baby blue color? Possibly.
Yeah, it's gonna mix and it's gonna feel so good in your hands, Daddy.
It's not. It's just sticking. That's all it's doing.
It's gonna get there though. It's
Wait.
like that's why people like the slime because it takes.
Oh yeah, there it goes. It's getting to that buttery slime texture.
Yeah.
Yeah, he definitely adds shaving cream.
Sure.
Oh, you forgot shaving cream.
No, she didn't. They didn't add it.
Oh.
Nope.
Oh my gosh, Daddy, that looks so nice.
Yeah, that's
It's
starting
just
to look
sticky.
really
It's just-
good.
that's all it is. It's just sticky.
Magical liquid, right?
Zoe can barely stand it. She wants to touch it right now.
Touch it so bad.
Me too. It's so hard just looking at
It's just sticky.
You just gotta keep doing
Sticky.
that.
Would you
pick
like
some.
this, Daddy?
Here, I'll knead it in there for you, Daddy, so you don't make a mess on your hands.
The mess is already there. Alright, so my phone, the storage on it is full. I was mixing this with the model clay, the water,
Fill it.
and the food coloring. This is what it come out to look like so far.
Super
I don't
nice.
think it's right. It's still sticky. Doesn't seem to be right. I don't know how to fix that. But it's got some stretch to it.
Yes, it's so nice. Daddy, you... Oh,
See that?
Daddy.
See that?
Daddy,
Yeah.
are you getting the hang of
It's
this
blue. I
now?
think I'm gonna add some more food color real quick. Just because I can. See what it looks like.
That's it. Video.
Now-
Use it all. Let's see how blue it'll get.
Now that is edible food coloring gel.
Oh, Daddy, wow.
It didn't call it for in the instructions, but he is first attempt, maybe possibly on YouTube, huh? Have you ever seen anybody use that?
No, I've never seen anybody use, like, decorate. I think
all
they've
of
all
it.
used the little drops.
We didn't have any drops, so that's what we rolled with. And I made it stickier.
Add a little bit of magical liquid.
So we're gonna add magic liquid.
Oh, wow.
About yay much.
Daddy, you're about to...
We're gonna make it right.
Don't overactivate it.
No, don't overactivate it.
Don't. It won't stretch at all.
I think I overactivated.
Oh, God.
Okay, back to the big bowl.
Yeah.
We're gonna do some more science shit here, cause that ain't right.
You had it almost
Yes, it
perfect.
is, Daddy. That is right. That's how it's supposed to look and
Yeah.
Feels
feel.
like I overactivated.
It's supposed to feel like that because you put clay in there.
Check it out. No, it's super sticky. Look at that.
You need to keep kneading it.
Yeah.
Just ridiculous.
Keep going.
I'll open these because your hands are a little messy.
So, what are you adding into your butter slime?
The last thing I just added was the activator. Oh, yeah, I gotta add my eyeballs.
Googly eyes. Here, I'll open
Googly
them.
eyes.
This is what he decided to hit.
And you can add all of them to make it crunchy. Want me to?
I think it's too. I think it's too sticky though.
No,
Touch it.
I can't touch it from
You
there.
can touch it from right there. Just touch it. You don't have to pick it up. Just touch it.
Oh, yeah, you might want to add. Yeah, that's a little sticky.
no,
That's
no.
sticky. Yeah.
So what should he add?
Just a teeny bit more of the magical liquid.
It's supposed to be a little bit sticky
This is
so the
kinda-
eyeballs will stay
But
in.
a teeny bit. Yeah, that's enough.
It's supposed to be a little bit sticky so the eyeballs
Yeah.
can stay in.
So it's
A little
still-
bit sticky?
It's still supposed to stay a little bit sticky so the eyeballs will stick in there. Oh my God, Daddy, you're so good at this. Like,
Yes. I'm already a master at slime and ninja at slime.
there you go. See? Okay.
It's
here.
still sticky.
Oh, you actually
It's
did.
supposed
You
to be
actually
like
poked
that,
it
Daddy.
that time. It's supposed to be like that so the eyeballs will stay in there.
Actually, what, Cooper?
You actually poked it and I found my sound.
Are you getting everything right here?
Everything.
That's all you're recording? Nothing up here?
I
I can't get
You're
it
not
all.
interacting?
I can't get it all unless I was to
You don't have
stand.
to.
People like this part.
Okay, Daddy, take your fingers like this and spread it like this and see if it spreads. Just slowly.
If
but
it
steadily.
spreads, it's butter slime.
If it spreads, it's... Oh, yes.
That's
oh,
butter slime.
yes. Oh, yes, baby. That's some good butter slime right there.
Alright, let's put these eyeballs in here.
Oh, you kind of spilled the magical liquid.
Oh,
I thought the lid was on.
we've got an
Zoe, give me
oopsie.
a hand towel.
We've got an oopsie.
Oh, no.
Here, this is the rag.
That's fine. I'll give you.
Okay, we had a little.
Alrighty, there's the eyeballs. Let's see what this thing does.
It's gonna look around at you.
Ooh, I may not get enough eyeballs.
Oh, I see.
Ew!
Ew! Crunch it like this. Oh, it's starting to make bubbles. Daddy, crunch it, crunch it, crunch it. No, Daddy, like this.
Crunch it.
Squeeze it, squeeze it. Like you're so mad at that slime.
Just pop his head off.
I'm so wanting to touch it like right now. I'm like,
Thank you.
Where the eyeballs at?
you have to like.
Huh.
Ew, that looks like a slime I made off of Super Slime Simulator.
You can't see the eyeballs that well.
I think it's me because.
That's alright.
They're staying in there though.
Yeah.
I still think it's too sticky.
I hate
It's the
my
perfect amount of.
Yeah, it's not coming
Ratio.
out. It's not sticking onto your hand, so that's perfect.
Let's see.
Ew, what is this?
Oh my god, it's home.
Ew, what's stiff?
Cool. So there's that. Let the kids check it out for a minute. See what they think.
Here, I'll take a
And
look.
we'll get this video uploaded. I'm going to get started on a project on this one. And I'll probably do a DIY how-to on that. Get my wife to clean this mess up and we'll get back to y'all.